Sometimes you think a journey's going smoothly until it isn't. Handy then that if you've got roadside assistance with the AA, just let us know by giving us a ring or using our app, and we'll text you to let you know when we'll be there. Should be about 45. When you're night, it's 8 out of 10 cars on the side of the road with a quick peek under the bonnet and a bit of magic that'll normally have you on your way in half an hour. If we can't sort things out there and then, we'll take you to a place where someone can have a closer look. That'll normally be a local garage, but if you add national recovery to your policy, we'll finally, adding at home means we'll come out to you if you're one of the lucky few that starts the day on a flat battery.